Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome for the very first time. Today I'm going to be doing my Sephora Play unboxing for May, and if you saw last month's unboxing, you'll know that I haven't been very happy with them lately. I did contact Sephora again and kind of got the same generic response that they gave me the last time, of that my Play profile needs to be up to date, which it is. So in terms of a response, it wasn't very helpful. If they don't wow me with this box, then I think I will be canceling. You may have also seen I recently posted a Macy's subscription box unboxing, and I'm not quite sure how I feel about that one yet. I liked the products that were in the bag. The bag itself was very nice, but it is $5 more than the Sephora one, and I don't know if it impressed me enough to pay that extra $5. But go and watch that one to see what I got if you haven't seen it already. I'll also link it up in the cards. But right now, let's see what this month's Sephora brings me and if I'm going to continue it or cancel. And it is back to the red bag this month. Last month was a hot pink bag, but they're back to the red this month. So the first product is from Sol de Janeiro, and it's their Coco Cabana cream. And so Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. Now, I've heard a number of people talk about this on YouTube, and they say it smells like buttered popcorn. So if that's true, I don't think I'm gonna like it, because while I like popcorn, I don't like the smell of fake buttered popcorn, and especially don't like the popcorn jelly beans. It's sealed, but I'm going to open it for you so I can let you know if it's true. It does give off that smell, not as strong as I thought it would, but it also reminds me of something else that I can't place. But yeah, don't know if I'm going to like the smell of this on my skin. Let's see the consistency. So as far as consistency, it's definitely more of a little bit more on the gel side of a moisturizer. It's definitely not the same consistency, at least I don't think so. It doesn't feel it as the Bum Bum Cream, the one that smells like beachy, coconutty heaven. So I don't know. I'd have to wear it throughout the day and see if I like it or not. But if it really smells strongly of buttered popcorn, don't know if that's what I want to go around smelling like. Next is a product from IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. It says it smooths, brightens, and depuffs. And I want to say I just ordered this as a point perk, but I haven't yet tried it. But I always do enjoy getting new eye creams to try. IT Cosmetics is a brand that I've really liked in the past as far as the items I've tried from them. And so far, 2 for 2 in new items that I haven't gotten and haven't tried before. Next is the sample for this month. It's a perfume, and it's from Viktor & Rolf. Viktor & Rolf Magic. Salty Flower. Huh. Hopefully I'll be able to smell it over the lotion smell. It's a very nice sweet scent. I'll have to read you the notes after. It's kind of more of a sweet, fresh scent. All right, next up is a product from Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging. Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. Strengthens and protects damaged hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think I've ever gotten a heat protectant spray from Sephora, and I haven't tried this one. It's a decent size too, at 0.85 fluid ounces. So another new and different product to try. This is a product from Benefit. The Benefit Bad Gal Bang Bigger Badder Volumizing Mascara. You know I love getting those mascara samples, but at least this is one that's brand new to me that I've never tried. But I do find it interesting that it's called Bigger Badder. And last month I got the Urban Decay that said Bigger Blacker Batter. So, interesting, but it's a volume mascara. It says 90% saw dramatic volume. So we will see how, 36 hours. I don't know that I'd want to wear it that long, but we'll see how this one works out. Then the next product is from Smashbox, and it's their Always On Liquid Lipstick. It's funny, I just got rid of a Smashbox liquid lip in an empties. And it's those brownie colors they love to give. Don't know if that's going to be a color I love. Might be a bit too brown for me, but we shall see. All right, let me read a little. First off, the mascara. An out-of-this-world mascara that adds weightless length and volume for up to 36 hours. Why, it's your BFF. This waterproof formula derived from space technology. Space technology? What? Takes lashes to the next level with gravity-defying lift and vitamins that support natural lash strength. Served for the Sol de Janeiro, it says a coconut-infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. Serve tropical vibes with this coconut sugar I can't say that. Concoction that draws moisture out of the air and into your skin. What? What is with these technological beauty products? So it draws moisture out of the air and into your skin with a delightful, warm, and buttery scent. Yeah, why would you want to smell like butter? And then the Bye Bye Under Eye. An intensive eye cream that reduces the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Is Sephora trying to win me over or what? Developed with the help of plastic surgeons, this super hydrating eye cream brightens and invigorates the under eye area with caffeine, vitamin C, and collagen. And for the hair product, get your hair ready for styling with this smoothing, shine-enhancing formula that helps prevent breakage, frizz, and split ends with just a couple sprays. And then as far as the perfume, orange flowers mingle with cashmere and salty accord to create a fresh, magical fragrance. Victor and Rolf wanted to create a line of apothecary-inspired fragrances that felt more like magic potions than perfumes. Thus, the Magic Collection was born. Meet the notes. Fragrance family floral, top note salt flower accord, middle note frangipani flower, base note cashmere. So some different notes I haven't really heard of. Sephora is making this difficult for me because I was all ready to cancel on them, and then they go and give me a bunch of new products that I've never tried before and that are different than things I've been getting. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you cancel based on past boxes in this box? Would this box be enough to keep you subscribed for another month? I'd love to get your feedback to help me decide what to do. If I do stay subscribed to Sephora, then I probably won't keep getting the Macy's one because I can't get them both. So if you've watched the Macy's one as well as this one, let me know in the comments which you would rather see me do videos on in the future, Macy's or Sephora. I'd love the feedback. And if there's other boxes you'd like to see me try, I'd love to hear your opinion on that as well. I've been toying with the idea of the Ipsy, what is it? I don't know. It's the newer Ipsy one that you get bigger products, but it's also more expensive than either of these boxes. But I've been toying with the idea of at least trying it for 1 month and seeing how I like it. But yes, I would love to know your feedback. What subscription boxes do you want to see? As far as this one goes, is it Macy's or Sephora? Thanks for the help. And thank you for watching. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye!